Finding your way around a busy workspace can be disorienting. Thankfully, Notion Home provides a central hub where all your work comes together. When you're working with different teams on separate projects, you can end up with tasks assigned to you from several sources. With My Tasks, there's no need to search for tasks in separate places. You'll find everything you need to do in your home. Your Notion Home is a tailored selection of relevant pages so you can readily dive into your next task, catch up with what your colleagues are reading, or develop new skills. It helps you stay connected with your colleagues and focus on the items which need your attention most. Home can be the first tab you see when you open Notion. Just click on the page's three-dot icon and select Home as your default start page. In Home, you'll find various sections or widgets to help you produce more efficient work. Recently Visited gives you a carousel of pages you've recently perused. Suggested for You contains a list of pages that may be of interest to you based on your recent activity in the workspace. Check out the Trending widget to see the most viewed pages in the company at this time. Click on this drop-down to consult popular pages by team space. Browse the collection of featured templates that can help you work more efficiently. Scroll down to learn to develop your Notion skills. Each card is a link to a useful guide from the Notion Help Center. Finally, Home boasts My Tasks, which we'll get into in a moment. Go to the three-dot menu at the top right to choose which widgets you want to show on Home and which ones you would rather hide. My Tasks captures all the tasks that are assigned to you in your workspace and groups them all here under the same widget. It functions as a manageable to-do list, fully built into your home. Here's how to set up your own tasks in My Tasks. Should you want items from a database to appear in the My Tasks widget, you'll need to convert said database into a task type database. If you are using Notion's Projects and Tasks database templates, you may already have some tasks appear in your widget. Otherwise, go to the database you'd like to add, click on its three-dot menu, and select the Turn into Database button. The next step would be to select the property that represents status, assignee, and due date. If you don't have one of these properties in the database, we'll prompt you to create one. In the case that you only have one property per property type, those will automatically show up like so. Click on the Turn into Task Database button. Repeat the same steps for all your task databases. Once that's done, any tasks assigned to you will show up in the My Tasks widget in Home. My Tasks is synced with all task type databases in your workspace, so it will be updated anytime a new task is assigned to you or task status changes. By default, properties will show up so you can see the status for each task, as well as the source database it belongs to and the due date. Notice that completed tasks are hidden from this view, so you can only see what needs your attention. To show more properties, click on the three-dot menu, then on Properties. As is the case with Notion databases, hit the Open Eye icon next to a property to hide it, and select the Closed Eye icon to show it. What's more, you can update a task's properties directly from My Tasks. This means you'll be able to mark a task as complete or adjust its due date without navigating away from your homepage. In the three-dot menu again, click on Layout. You'll see the option to view your tasks in a different way. Instead of displaying them in a table, try viewing them in a board, timeline, calendar, list, or gallery. Tasks are automatically filtered to show only the tasks assigned to you, which are not marked as done. If you want to change this, you can open the Filter menu to add or change filters. Your tasks are automatically sorted according to due date, starting with the earliest in ascending order. Should you want to alter the order, try ranking tasks differently, for example by priority or by database source. Whenever you want to add a new task, you can create one directly from your homepage. Just click the plus sign to add a task, choose which source database the task will live in, and select a database template to help standardize your content. To see more details or add notes or comments to a task, open the task to access its page, the same page you would access from its source database. This makes it easier to amass relevant information and stay focused on your work. To learn more about databases in Notion, watch this video. Home makes it so that you'll hardly need to scroll to jump back into a recently visited page and view docs that may be of relevance to you or that are simply team favorites. Notion Home is where it all begins.